What was just an idea a year ago soon transformed into a dream of becoming the #1 free English learning platform in the world is no more a dream. Yes, you heard it. Presenting myabcenglish.com, a one-of-its-own-kind English learning platform. Why do we claim to be #1? Our achievements in the last 1 year. A YouTube channel justifying its tagline, English couldn't be better, with unbelievable and astounding viewership, 3.3 lakh views, 9,000 watch hours of watch time, 4K subscribers, 99% likes overall, a record of its own kind. Geographical reach in all 7 continents of the world. Highest viewership coming from native English-speaking countries like the UK and the US, which speaks of its popularity among native English speakers. My ABC English Learning App. Learn English free. A free English pronunciation Android app in the Play Store. 4.6 rating. 1K plus installs all over the globe. With features like phonetics chart, an option of listening to pronunciation of every English word and then cross-check with voice recording of own pronunciation to improve your English pronunciation anywhere. 9 published Amazon Kindle English books on the biggest book publishing platform, the Amazon Kindle Publishing, with English pronunciation book consistently ranking in top 50 Kindle books in 2 categories. 2 world-class websites, myabcenglish.com and tamurnaha.com, a world-class education blog with a whopping 3K average traffic on a daily basis from all over the world. A world-class podcast, 60-second success formula with Tamur Naha, published in every top podcast platform. It's already creating ripples in people's minds all over the world. Our performance stats speak for themselves, which no other English learning platform can claim. Now introducing a weekly masterclass on English with Master English Trainer Tamur Naha on his YouTube channel, which promises to be an unbelievable learning experience for every English learner. What has to be done has to be done.